Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need to start where revenue lives, YouTube Studio. Sign in with the channel owner account and make sure AdSense is linked. This is why earnings appear. Once signed in, open YouTube Studio from your avatar menu. Make sure two-factor authentication is ready in case Google asks. If you don't see monetization on the left, your channel may not be approved yet. Check eligibility. Now click Analytics to begin accessing estimated revenue and key monetization metrics. Once in Analytics, navigate to the Revenue tab. This shows estimated revenue, RPM, and a revenue graph. Next, set a date range, last 28 days, month to date, or custom, so you see the period you care about. Then use comparative view growth versus previous periods and apply content or geography filters to isolate which videos drive money. Scroll to the revenue source card to split ad income, YouTube Premium, and transactions. Export CSV if you need a spreadsheet for deeper analysis. To finalize, export the revenue report and compare it with your AdSense payments. Discrepancies often come from payment thresholds, holds, or processing delays. Make sure your AdSense account details are current so payments aren't blocked. If revenue seems missing, check for policy strikes or copyright claims that can reduce or hold earnings. If problems persist, open Help in Studio and contact YouTube support. Provide video ID dates and screenshots. A common troubleshooting tip: clear cache or try an incognito window to rule out display bugs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.